Manchester United 1, Brighton 2. Benjamin Sesko is scoring back-to-back goals for Manchester United. That is good news for Manchester United. But Manchester United being knocked out of the FA Cup, I'm not surprised. I'm not shocked. But I've said Brighton and Manchester United is the biggest FA Cup round, and Brighton can knock out Manchester United. I won't be surprised. And it turns out to be so. Manchester United only problem, I've said it time and time again, it's not only about players. It's not all about players. It's their psychology. Psychology is not a big team psychology now. They are now thinking like a middle-table club, an average club. That is the issue. It's not about coaching. It's not only about coaching. Their mentality, their psychology, and coaching, and also players as well combined together. But mostly it's their psychology, the way they think now. They are not thinking like big clubs now, and it boils down with the administrators. The administrators. That is where it started from. So the psychology, they need to change the mentality of Manchester United for them to move forward, for them to progress from this point to a higher point. You can Bruno Fernandes is back. William Sesko started. Matheus Cunha started. Diego Dalot, Kobe Mano is also back. So there are a lot of Lisandro Martinez is back. So it's not that they played their bench player all through. No. They played their first team, and they still lost to Brighton. But I'm not shocked. I'm not surprised. Collecting red card in the embers of the 89 minutes. So it's a rush of blood to the air. That's why they are frustrated. They're out of the Carabao Cup, out of the FA Cup. They cannot win the Premier League. So they are going trophyless this season. They are going to this competition. They have to take serious for them to go to Europa League directly. But now they are out of it. So what next? This season they are trophyless. Last season they were trophyless. So it's the psychology, it's the mentality. What's it called? Manchester City beating Exeter 10-1. Arsenal playing but not scoring. Arsenal were whitewashing their opponent. Portsmouth 1-4. Normally missing a penalty. Chelsea winning 1-5. So those are the expected results. I expected those outcomes of games. There's nothing too surprising. Brighton beating Manchester United is not too surprising. Manchester United deserve to win this game against Brighton. They deserve to win, but if you don't put the ball at the back of the net, you don't deserve to win anything. They were better, but Brighton, you know what to expect. And Brighton took the advantage, and they qualified to the next round.